Blender for beginners. Simple cloth. First let's add a sphere. Shade the sphere. Now let's add the cloth. Add a plane. Scale the plane up. G to move. Z on the Z axis. Great. This plane will act as our cloth. First let's add some subdivisions. Subdivision surface. Give it a nice amount of geometry, say 6. Simple. Keeps the edges. Great. Now with our plane selected, physics, cloth, put the quality steps up to 10. Yes, everything else looks good. Great. Now select our sphere, collision. Great. Select the cloth again. Go to cache, bake. Let's test our animation. There you go. Shade smooth. Add some thickness, a solidify. Add another subdivision surface. There you go. Done. Oh, no, before we go, you see you have some issues here. On your cloth, back to your physics, shape, collisions, self collisions. Rebake. There you go. Perfect.